Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Kukuha ka ba ng Criminologist Licensure Board Exam? So here are the 5 tips that might help you. Number 1. In taking the Criminologist Board Exam, you need to assess yourself. Kung ano ba ang subject na magaling ka at mas naintindihan mo and ano yung mga subjects na weakness mo, of course. In this way, you will be able to plot study schedules para ma-strengthen mo yung mga kulang mo. And you need to have a balanced strength in all of your subjects. Kasi if mag-fail ka sa isang subject, for sure, bagsak na yon. So, dapat balance para pasado. Number 2, dapat alam mo ang mga teknik kung papaano sagutan ang multiple choice. Through the process of elimination. Ibig sabihin, bago mo sagutan ang tanong, dapat alam mo kung ano yung tinatanong. Para alam mo kung ano ang i-eliminate mo sa choices. Kasi based on experience, may mga questions talaga na hindi mo na-aral. And normal lang yon. That is why you need this technique to help you navigate sa mga sitwasyon na ganun. Number 3, have time to practice in answering previous board exams questions. Dapat maging familiar ka sa mga frequently asked questions ng previous board exam ng criminologist sa lahat ng subject. Kasi most likely, ang mga important concepts na dapat mong malaman para maging criminologist ay may mataas na porsyento na itatanong talaga yan. So, for example, dapat alam mo kung ano yung arrest. Ano yung rule na applicable at dapat alam mo rin ang mga konektadong batas. At especially, alam mo kung paano siya i-apply. It is not enough na alam mo lang yung definition ng arrest. Kasi most likely, yung mga tanong sa board exam ay situational. So, dapat alam mo kung paano siya i-apply. So, number 4, you need to be mentally, physically, and emotionally prepared. Dapat may physical activity ka, like jogging, basketball, kung saan pagpapawisan ka. In that way, lalakas yung immune system mo at during board exam, hindi ka magkakasakit. Napaka-importante na dapat physically fit ka para makapag-perform ka ng maayos in answering the questions. Sa mental aspect naman, dapat confident ka at alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong pumasa. Treat the board exam like nakasalalay ang future mo. Kasi pag nakapasa ka na yan, ay magiging eligibility mo yan to enter government service. Now, full-time at may security of tenure. Always believe in yourself. Kaya mo yan. Basta preparado ka lang. Number 5, enroll in review centers. Think of it as an investment for your self-development and learn from the lecturer especially mga lecturer na top-notchers. Kasi they have successfully overcome the challenges of the criminologist board exams and passed it with flying colors. Kaya nga top-notcher sila. However, always remember that the only way to succeed is dapat tulungan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi ikaw naman yung kukuha ng exam doon. Hindi naman sila sasama sa'yo. So dapat, tulungan mo yung self mo na mag-study ka talaga. And if you follow these tips, mas mataas yung porsyento mo na papasa ka. Kasi victory loves preparation. Kung preparado ka, most likely, papasa ka. So, sa lahat ng aspiring to become registered criminologist katulad ko, good luck, and I hope these tips will help you succeed in your exam. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help me. This is Coach Ayan, registered criminologist. Kaya yan.